everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. Today I'm going to show you how to do this really pretty pattern that's really easy also. It's nice and smooth, but it's got a lot of texture. It looks like rows of open windows, and it's called the open window stitch. I'll have a written pattern for you at the end, so stay tuned. This stitch is a multiple of 3 plus 2. I have 23 on my hook, and I will single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 3, skip 2, and put a single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, skip 2, put a single crochet in the next chain, and continue like that across to the end. I have 7 chain 3 loops, and the last single crochet goes in the last chain. Row 1, chain 1 and turn. Then in each of these loops, we're going to put 5 single crochets. No extra spaces between the loops, just go across and do the same thing. In the last loop of this row, 4 single crochets in the loop, and then 1 single crochet on the end. Row 2, chain 5, this counts as a double crochet plus 2 chains, and then we're going to put a single crochet in the top of each of these clusters, skip 2 stitches, put 1 right there, chain 3, go to the top of the next cluster and put 1 in the middle stitch, and repeat. At the end of this row, chain 2 and put a double crochet in the last stitch. Row 3, chain 1, turn, put a single crochet in that double crochet that you just put in the last stitch, and 2 single crochets in this smaller loop. And then moving across the row, we'll put 5 single crochets in each of the other loops to the end. End this row with 2 single crochets in that half loop and a single crochet in the top of the turning chain. Row 4, chain 1 and turn, single crochet in that first single crochet. Then we'll put single crochets at the top of all of the chain 5 clusters across. This is the end of row 4, and it completes the pattern. To continue, just repeat rows 1 through 4 until you get to the length that you want. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.